Alright, I just opened my package from Vistaprint, and this is my expo poster. I love it. It has my big name all across the top. I'm gonna have bettas and shrimp. I'm also gonna have axolotls, botanicals, live food for these wonderful creatures, and plants, of course. And I love it because I put my QR code for page, and it has all my listings in that QR code. So I think this is going to be good. If anybody wants to, you know, join or subscribe or get added on, they're going to be able to use that page code. And then I also got some stickers. These are going to go on my items. I can't get it out yet. That's what they look like. So I got the little logo. I love it. Alright, so I'm preparing for the convention, and what I have set up here is a wooden frame. And this wooden frame is 2 of them, because I have 2 frames right over here that I'm going to be using. And these are picture frames with glass. And I'm going to make it like a book. So this part's going to open, and then the bottom frame over here is going to stay the bottom. I have 2 of these pieces here, which are going to be acting as the base layer. So that's why the bottom is going to be white, and we're going to have white paint on the inner rim and black paint on the outer. And then from there, we're going to put some fittings. And maybe put these on, not sure yet. And then I'm thinking about putting a strip light onto the whole situation. That has these settings here, and we'll plug her in. So that's the plan, is to make and paint. We'll really paint this, and then we're gonna assemble it. Now we're gonna paint black and then white on the inside.
Dance in my clothes.
So I just wanted to make a note that instead of doing white, because I have some, you know, some places that I kind of messed up, like there, and you know, there, I decided that I'm just gonna do it all black. So just do black on both sides, and I still think that's gonna look good.
Me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop. The good times don't stop.
Okay, so I didn't record any of the hardware portion, but I will show you in the next clip what it all looks like when it's all put together. Alright, so this is assembled now, and you can see the buckle is placed. It opens like a book, and then we've got the LED stripping all the way on the inside. And then the wood match is pretty decent. It's not too bad. And then on the back side, we've got the buckles. And I liked it because this was very similar to kind of the texture on top. Now at the expo, I'm going to have the pleasure of bringing a variety of betta fish, both male and female, in a variety of different tail types. There's going to be beautiful butterflies and crown tails and half moons, koi placots, and all sorts of different colorations and different sizes. I'm super excited to be able to share these types of fish with you guys, and I think you guys are going to be really happy with the assortment that I'm going to be able to bring to the expo. Additionally, I thought it'd be really fun if I could bring some live food, such as these guys right here, and I'd love to know if you know what they are. Put it in the comment section below. And here we are at the expo.
I work at your boxes, but that's me.
And the cool thing is that
Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little update. This weekend was the Las Vegas Expo for the reptiles, and I had a booth, and we had awesome isopods, we also had shrimp, we also had bettas and plants. I mean, like, look at all those tissue cultures. There's lots of things, but if you didn't make it this time around, that's quite all right. There's going to be another convention coming around, so we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming. Thank you so much, and I had a blast for my first convention, and I can't wait for the next one.